Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you are new here, my name is Raindrops, and if you are a returning drop, y'all welcome back. Today's video, by the title and the thumbnail, I am going to attempt to straighten my hair again. Now, for those of you who don't know, I will be putting a timestamp so you can go straight to the blow drying and the flat ironing part of the video. For those of you who don't know, I am a hairstylist. I graduated hair school back in '92. I've been doing my own hair for years. I've never let anyone touch my hair other than a couple of students that was at hair school. I let someone braid my hair for the first time when box braids first came into play back in '91, '92. And the only other person I've let touch my hair, I let her do it twice, was someone at the Dominican shop when I got my hair blown out. And that's only because I was 8 months pregnant and didn't feel like doing it myself. And then me letting a barber do a 3D hair design, which you guys saw a picture of in my previous Wash and Go video. So I always do my own hair, but for some reason when I straightened it back in September of this year, it did not straighten. I showed you guys, like, it was straight, but it was still puppy. You can go back and take a look at that video. It's my straightening my hair video, 2 years post Big Shop, and it was 2 years since I had straightened my hair. So I got me, sorry y'all, I got me some new flat irons last month because the flat irons I have that I normally use on everyone's hair. This is the Infinity Pro Conair. And I think that these plates, if I'm remembering correctly, I want to say that they were titanium. They're not ceramic. So I didn't want to be harsh on my hair, so I went and got the Remington ceramic pearl infused plate flat irons. They're both digital. This one goes up to 450, so does the other one, but the temperature setting on here I use at 390 because I didn't want to go over 400, and then the next setting on here is 410. And I'm going to insert pictures of my boy's hair. The 10-year-old, since he's been here on earth, we're all natural. I've straightened his hair about 3 or 4 times since he's been here, starting at the age of 6. So it's been about 2.5, 3 years since I straightened it the last time. And I normally do it for a length check and to trim his ends. The 6-year-old, I have never straightened his hair, and I decided to go ahead and do it so I can give him a trim as well. And I'm going to insert both of the pictures of their hair. So I'm going to straighten my hair and use my old flat irons this time. I did the same thing. I washed, I deep conditioned, and I used 2 products when I deep conditioned, and that's because I had ran out of the other. So I used the Shea Moisture Hydrating Mask and the Queen Helene Cholesterol Cream Conditioner. I used both of those together, and then I rinsed my hair out. Then I used the Hass Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. This is really watery, and that's the reason that I wanted to use it, because it was light. It wasn't, you know, overly heavy or anything like that. And I have been waiting to get my hands on this. So this is what I used in the boy's hair, is the Chi Silk Infusion. Now I'm going to use this as my heat protectant as well, because when I straighten my hair, I'm so sorry y'all, I'm never prepared, but everything is sitting right next to me. But when I did this the last time, and the heat protectant that I used was the IC Fantasia Hair Polisher Heat Protector Straightening Spray. But this has so many oils in it, and it was so oily. I feel like this and the flat irons are the reason that my hair wasn't as straight and flowy as I wanted it to be, because it wasn't stiff, but it wasn't moving either. So I'm gonna exclude this today and just use the the Cheese Silk Infusion. So I have already detangled my hair, as you can see, and I have already sprayed the conditioner in each section. So I'm just going to go section by section. I'm not going to show you guys the whole thing because I don't want to make the video too long, and then we'll get into the flat iron.
game. It's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, these are my final results. Yeah, straight hair. It is so much better than it was the first time, and I know it's because of the products that I use and the fact that also I used a different heat setting. Instead of 390, I used 395 as you saw on the other flat iron I have. I don't really like curls in my hair. I just curled it so I could wrap it, and yeah, I trimmed my ends. So hopefully this will stay for a while. It's very soft and silky, and I'm very, very happy with it. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. This was my second attempt. I don't flat iron my hair like that, so after this it probably won't happen for another 2, 3, 4 years. That's not really my thing. I love my curls, so look out for the video of reverting my curls back. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.